Unraveling Slang. The phrase, "get felted," explained. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, "get felted." It's not your everyday English, but it's a colorful expression you might encounter in various contexts. Let's dive in and unpack its meaning together. The term, "get felted," is a bit of slang. To felt something means to turn it into felt, which is a non-woven cloth that's produced by matting, condensing, and pressing fibers together. Metaphorically speaking, when someone says they got felted, they're often referring to a situation where they were completely defeated or overpowered, much like how fibers are transformed into felt, completely changed and compacted. While the exact origin is not clear, "get felted" is commonly used in poker and other competitive settings. In poker, it refers to losing all one's chips, which are often made of a felt-like material. The phrase has since evolved to be used in broader contexts, indicating a total loss or an overwhelming defeat. Now, let's look at how to use "get felted" in a conversation. For example, I challenged the reigning chess champion and got felted within 10 moves. The new startup tried to compete with the tech giants and got completely felted. It's important to note that this phrase is informal and might not be suitable for formal contexts. There are a few expressions that carry a similar meaning to "get felted." These include, "get wiped out," "be defeated," "get crushed." Using these alternatives can help you convey the same sentiment in a more formal or varied way. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, "get felted," and how it's used in English. It's a colorful expression that adds flavor to our language, particularly in casual and competitive scenarios. Thanks for watching, and remember, language learning is a journey, so embrace every new phrase you learn along the way.